Getting up, just a little POV inside the little Yoda Corolla. Got the stripes in the hood vent, got the wing in the back. This mug sound good, man. Little exhaust clips from the inside. Paddle shifters. This mug pretty nice though. This mug pretty nasty. I'm gonna flip this mug around and back up the street real quick. Hey, this mug gets up, man. It's a fun drive. Especially when you're doing this like this, man. It's just fun to cruise around in. You can pop it out of manual. It's got a sports mode. I like manual better because the gearing is a lot more, finesse. You know what I'm saying? Goes through the gears, but when it's just in drive and in sports mode, you plan it. It'll show you got something. But yeah, hey, if you're looking to get one of these cars, man, look, I got it modded out, right? I got a nice exhaust, little muffler delete and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It got a little scoops. It's all apparel, lights on the inside, everything like that. If you're looking to buy one of these Corollas, man, real talk. One of the newer ones. I heard the 2020 has a little turbo in it, so I don't know. But don't expect this mug to be going no fast, bro. This mug, it's 0 to like 20 is trash because it's a CVE. It just doesn't want to. It's all about traction, so it's not gonna take off as fast as like an Infinity or something that you could get. But if you're looking for something that screams, this mug revs out to about 60, 63. And it's loud. Like, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear it on the camera, but this mug is loud. You know what I'm saying? I'm driving one-handed. I got the camera in the other hand, just doing some pulls. But man, like, it's a loud car. Especially when you get the couple little pots on downshifts. But it's a pretty fun car to drive around, you know what I'm saying? This is what it sounds like when you're barely hitting it. Down the street. Now it do sound better than like an Altima. You know what I'm saying? Not like the real, I forget what they called, Altima Nismos and stuff like that. If like them things, they got a different type of they got a different type of V6. But like a regular Altima that you just cut the pipes off or put from the cat's back, the straight pipe, it ain't gonna sound like this. You know what I'm saying? And if I actually took the cats off of this, again, this is just a muffler delete. You know what I'm saying? But if I took the cats off of this thing, it'd probably be shooting a little fire somewhere. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, if you're looking to get one of these mugs, man, if you're looking for speed, if you're looking for acceleration, go with the Camry, go with the TRD Camry. You know what I'm saying? The Sport, the one that got the wing, because it's just faster. You know what I'm saying? And they sound good. But if you're looking for something to just have fun around, you know what I'm saying, plant it just all over corners and stuff, this mug turn like a dream, then get you one of these, man. It ain't cost too much. It ain't too bad. You know what I'm saying? And it's fun to mod out. It's fun to have, you know, it's a little compact engine you can have fun with. But yeah, I'm gonna be pulling into work here in a minute, so you got a couple more exhaust little shots. I might hit it up there for a little bit. But yeah, this mug revs out. It's just a muffler delete on the 2017 Corolla. I'm gonna do a lot more videos on my car. See, I got the stripes on it. I got the little hood scoop. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little fun car. I'm not trying to be, you know what I'm saying, this, oh, my car faster than yours, racing, oh, I'm, you know what I'm saying, don't mess with it. Nah, man, this is a fun car, bro. I'm 17. You know what I'm saying? It's a fun car. I'm gonna make it look good. I'm gonna make it look fun. And I'm gonna drive it like it's fun. Like this. You know, I'm gonna have some fun in it. Downshifts. But man, hey, it's a fun car to drive around. It's a fun car to play around in. There go the popo right there. Let's go ahead and chill out. But it's a fun car to drive around and play around with. You know what I'm saying? Do what you trying to do with it. Other than that, man, like I said, man, if you're looking to buy one, if you already got your mindset on one, it got good gas. It's a good gas saver, so you ain't got to worry about it burning. You know what I'm saying? You paying $30 at the pump. Nah. Most I put in this mug is like $20, $23. And it was from dead empty. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, if you're looking to buy one of these, I'm finna get an outside shot of it. If you're looking to buy one of these mugs, man, get it. Real talk. But if you're looking for speed, if you're looking for performance, now this thing turns on the dime, like I said. But if you're looking for speed and performance and stuff like that, go ahead, cop you a Camry, bro. But this mug is nasty. Like I said, got the little wing on the back. I got a little underglow. You can't really see them. Got some underglow on it. You know what I'm saying? It's just a nice little car. You to mess around with. Got the little LED signals. You know what I'm saying? If y'all looking for a car that's just fun to drive, loud, and it's sporty, get you one of these. If you looking for something that's fast, get you a Camry, or if not, get you an Infiniti G36 or something like that. But yeah, that's it.